Hello students, welcome to your first English grammar class. The topic for today is punctuation. Punctuation are the marks or the signs that we use in written English. The various punctuation marks that we'll study are capital letter, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark and comma. I repeat, capital letter, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark and comma. Let's start with the first one, capital letter. Capital letters are used at the beginning of a sentence. Whenever we begin a sentence, we always write a capital letter. We never begin a sentence with a small letter. It has to be capital letter. For proper nouns, whenever we write a proper noun, it is written in capital letter. For example, my name, your name, any specific name given to a person, place, animal or a thing is a proper noun. It takes capital letter. I is always capital whenever it is alone. I is a letter which is written in capital when it is coming alone. For example, I live in New Delhi. Here, I is all alone, so it is in capital. Also, it is beginning the sentence. Live in New Delhi. New Delhi is a name of a city, so it's again a proper noun, so it's capital. The second one is a full stop. A full stop is a dot, as you can see here in the bracket. A full stop is used at the end of a complete sentence. A complete sentence means a sentence which has a proper meaning. It makes sense. So a full stop, this dot comes at the end of a sentence which has a proper meaning. For example, these are fresh apples. Here we are putting a full stop at the end of the sentence as this sentence is complete, is giving proper meaning, and also it is starting with a capital letter in the beginning. Second example, close the door. Again, the sentence is ending with a full stop and beginning with a capital letter. Third example, look at this report. This is a complete sentence ending with a full stop and beginning with a capital letter. Now coming to third one, a question mark. The sign of a question mark is here in the bracket, as you can see. It is used after direct questions. When we are asking a question to someone and it's a direct question, we end it with a question mark. For example, what is your name? Here we are ending this statement with a question mark. We are asking the person, what is his name? Second example, how old are you? Again, here you can see a question mark at the end of the statement. And we are asking that person how old he is. And in both these examples, we are beginning it with a capital letter. Third example, when is your birthday? Again, this statement is ending with a question mark and beginning with a capital letter. Coming to the next one is an exclamation mark. The sign for exclamation mark, here you can see in the bracket. An exclamation mark is used when we express strong feelings and surprise. It may be placed after a word. No, oh, help, yes. So after a word we are placing this exclamation mark to express strong feelings. It can also be used after a phrase. Happy birthday, no way, my God. It can also be used after a sentence. I can't wait for Christmas. So here the person is expressing his strong feelings. Another example, I'm so happy for you. So again the person is showing his happiness, the feeling of happiness. So it's ending again with a exclamation mark. The last punctuation mark that we'll study is a comma. Comma indicates a pause. Whenever in a sentence we have to give a pause, we use a comma. They can separate items in a series. If in a sentence we are mentioning too many items and they are of the same series, same type, we separate them using comma. For example, I'll have fish, salad and broccoli. So here we are separating fish and salad using a comma, as both fish and salad are edible things. We eat them. My best friends are Raman, Riya and Rohit. Again, here we are separating Raman and Riya using a comma, as they are people. And as you can see, we are using other type of punctuations as well in these sentences, which are capital letter in the beginning and a full stop in the end. So that was end of this topic. Thank you so much. Hope you've understood the topic well.